Okay, YouTube, here we are, Trainer Jason X here, and now we're about to face Sontal with our Diamond team. Our Diamond team is back, and we will face Sontal. Okay, Sontal leads with Cofagrigus, I lead with Alakazam, and I go for the Calm Mind, so I can take a Shadow Ball. He goes for the Will-O-Wisp for some reason, I don't know why. I go for another Calm Mind. He goes for the Shadow Ball this time, which does good, but it's not even a 2KO now after the Calm Mind. I go for the Shadow Ball, and Cofagrigus is down. Okay, next one is Misgameus. I go for another Shadow Ball, and Misgameus is down. Now Froslass. Okay, Froslass, I'll send out my Empoleon. Froslass go for the Shadow Ball, I resist Shadow Ball, it doesn't do absolutely anything. He lowers my special defense although, another Shadow Ball. I go again, I go for the Hydro Pump. And another Hydro Pump to take Froslass out. Okay, yes, and Froslass is down. Now Drifblim. Okay, Drifblim will go for the Thunder, I guess. So I sent out Luxray, lower his attack. Okay, yes, Thunder. It doesn't do a lot. And I go for the Wild Charge. And Drifblim is down. Next one is Golurk. I guess Golurk will go for the Earthquake, so it's time for my Honchkrow. No, Hammerarm, that's not good. Why not Earthquake? Okay, it still didn't KO Honchkrow. I go for the Sucker Punch. And Golurk is down. Okay. In his last Pokemon, Chandelure, I go for the Sucker Punch again. And Chandelure is also down. So this is it, we defeated Sontal.